70. You just if it's 73, you just need to remove the 3 and then change the number into 0. So you will know what value it is.
Wow! Do you understand what Muriel is trying to say?
Yeah!
So she will be Teacher Muriel soon. Let's go for Teacher Muriel. Very good. Well explained. Yes, Justin, another. What is place value?
It's like you do the place value of ones and tens, and then, for example, what is the value of 7?
Mhm.
73.
Mm.
And then the 7 is in the tens and the 3 is in the ones.
Yeah. Okay. So we're talking about tens and ones, right? Let's clap for Justin. Very good. So going back to this, we call the 0 to 9. Again, what do you call 0 to 9? We call that digit. Okay. It's a digit. Now, a digit has 0 to 9 only. One number. But when we say 10, 11, 12, and so on and so forth, how many numbers are there? There are already 2 numbers. Okay, so we cannot put that anymore in the ones house. Because the ones house will only have 1 digit. So, what will we do? Say, for example, 12. What is 1 in 12? What is 1 in 12? That is 10. Very good. That's 10. So, that 10 here, that 1 there, that's no longer 1, that is 10. So, we put that where? Under the ones place or under the tens?
Under the tens.
Under the tens place. So, again, we have to represent. Again, what did I say? What is represent? What is representation? I forgot. What do you mean when you say represent? Oh? I will represent. I'm going to make a S-Y-M-B-O-L. Again? Symbol. Very good. We're going to make a symbol out of it because representation is symbol. Why? Why do we make a symbol? Why? Is it important? Is it important to have symbols?
Yes.
Why? Why is it important to have symbols? Yes, Riley.
Just like skip counting, if you count by ones, that would take harder. Just like skip counting, you also need symbols.
You need to have symbol in order for us to what? To be?
Sure.
To be?
To be sure that you're counting the right way.
Oh, wow. To be sure that you're counting the right way. Let's clap for that answer. Yes, very good. Excellent. Excellent. All right. So here is our symbol. Okay, this is an example of a symbol. We say condominium and apartment. The apartment now represents the ones. The condominium represents the tens. Very good. So how many condominiums are there? 3. So where are we going to put 3? Under tens. And what about the apartment? There are only 4. We put it under the 4. So what is the number now?
34.
34. Did you get that? Yes. So it's going to be apartment and condominium. So easy. Easy or difficult?
Easy.
Easy. What about 100? Did you get it? Okay. Patrice? Who did not get this?
I don't know.
Who did not get? You did not understand? Okay. Stop crying, Stella, so that you can understand, huh? Because when you are crying, your brain is
Crying also.
stuck up and it's crying also. You don't have focus. Because your focus is crying.
And your brain tells your whole body to have crying motion.
Yes, that's correct. But if you are not crying, and you say, I will listen to teacher. Now, that's the time you will have
Because if you don't cry,
focus, focus. Everything focus. Again, everybody.
Water.
Ah, it's going to be Halloween. Focus, focus.
That is
Everything focus. Adam. Focus, focus. Everything focus. Okay, so focus. Focus. I'm going to erase this. I'm going to make another one and then we will have the representation. Okay? Yes? Alright. Let's have another representation. Oh, my chalk is getting smaller every day. Okay, ready? Sit properly so that you can focus. We're going to erase this also, huh? Okay, another example. I'm going to represent, I will draw condominiums. Look at my condominiums. Who live in the condo?
Me. Not me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's have 5 condominiums. Who live in the apartment? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Including me. 5. Okay, ready? Let's start with the apartment. Huh? Always start with the apartment. So count. How many apartments are there? Oh, there are 5. Where are we going to put the number 5 in the house? Stella? In the ones. Can you please do it for